Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have a problem with Toyota Camry, and actually this is from 2001, 2, 3, 4, up to 2006, 13, 14. You have to follow the same procedure. The car was get a jumper by mistake, like instead of putting positive to negative, they put negative positive, and they switch the polarity, and it create a short, blow out this fuse. This fuse here, the way it look is something like this. This is a part number, and the fuse is, and this fuse is alternator fuse. Inside the alternator, which is there, we have which is here, we have a diodes, and that diode will not allow electricity to pass one direction or other, especially when you jump the car. In order for us to work on this car, battery, all this stuff have to go out, this support have to go out, then we have to open this box here, and we have to turn it upside down, take the cover from bottom, and then, yes, you can come continue. And then we have to take it out, because no, it's good because you have these screws that have to go in to go out. You have to unscrew some items. This is a piece, and inside here it have screw 8, 2 side have to be unscrew it and then put it in. I put this one here, okay, in case. So
that's a new one?
Yeah, that's a new one. You believe I order one from the dealer?
Huh?
Yeah, there is not available aftermarket.
Yeah,
and from Nasran. And one guy was going to Beirut, and I tell him, on your way, check if you can get me this. He get me that. He get me another one. The other guy get me another one, and the same time they have another person also have the same thing, same day.
Oh, okay.
One here too. And you have one there too. It's a lot.
Yeah. Push it down a little bit.
Yeah.
Bring it down. Push it down.
Yeah. It's crazy.
This one is still holding.
Yeah, I feel it. I feel this. The only problem, maybe you have to take this too, because it's holding this piece. If it's not, okay, here expose.
I think I'll skip back in it. Yeah.
Because of the, it's not because of this, because of this, because of here. But it's okay if you can reach it. Good.
Yeah, cut it.
You have access from there?
No, cut it.
Huh? Or this one have to, yeah, okay. You gotta cut this one here. Then, as you see here, we have here. This one, we have it in here. But what about the other one? This piece maybe have to come out. or you have to move. Nothing is gonna move through here. We have to get it through here.